People had not yet fallen asleep on the evening of September the 13th in China. They were settling the last futures transaction before retiring for the night. Then at 9:45 p.m. that same night, the price of Bitcoin suddenly rose in value to a high of $46,826. The same moment the price peaked, BTC started to drop again. Around 10:15 p.m., it fell to a low of $43,413. The trend formed a tower shape, or whipsaw as the Financial Times called it, according to available data. What that mean was that around 130,000 people on the network broke their positions in just half an hour, with the number of empty positions exceeding 4.2 billion. Following the BTC's sharp rise and fall, other currencies followed the spire form, such as ETH, BNB, etc. The most similar price behavior belonged to Litecoin, which closely resembled the BTC chart. Suddenly, all group chats about digital currencies exploded into life. As people kept asking what's happening, some people ridiculed this spike, asking if it resembled something like the Canton Tower or Burj Khalifa Tower in Dubai. Later that night, someone picked out the behind-the-scenes culprit in the form of LTC, after its fake news about a partnership was exposed, triggering the drop. Earlier on September the 13th, when news that the giant US Walmart Corporation announced its support for online payments with Litecoin went viral on social media. The most troubling thing is that the Litecoin Foundation reposted the cooperation news on Twitter without any confirmation. At the same time, Bloomberg, Reuters, CNBC, and other international business media outlets all reported the news, spreading the fake news as factual. What followed is a familiar story. LTC surged by more than 28% instantly and prompted the collective rise of other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Investors were in high spirits and directly followed up with more contracts. However, after a few minutes, Walmart came forward to clarify that this was in fact fake news, while Litecoin officials also deleted the news off Twitter. LTC's price dropped instantly, from a 28% rise to trading up less than 1%. The whipsaw trend having a serious knock-on effect with the rest of the market. What was the likely source of fake news? According to the available information, we can probably deduct the source of fake news. First, the bad actors behind the scenes registered a domain name walmartcorp.com that is very similar to Walmart in August 2021 and applied for an email address. Afterwards, they filled in some simple information to complete the Walmart Inc. registration application. After using email, with fake domain name, and other information, they had the tools to publish information at will using the deceptive means to post fake news. On September the 13th, the press release of Walmart announces cooperation with Litecoin was published on global press release distribution service GlobeNewsWire. The content of the fake manuscript is a standard press release. In addition, it contained news facts and interview information with the principal persons in charge of both parties. Consequently, without any proper checks in place, it is difficult to detect anomalies within the content itself. After the news went viral, Bloomberg's trading terminal caught this news, while other media also reported headlines, and Litecoin officials also reposted it. Then this quickly led to the sharp rise in Litecoin. Not surprisingly, when Walmart saw the news of their supposed partnership with Litecoin, they were shocked. However, spokesperson Randy Hargrove instantly debunked the rumors. Hargrove confirmed that the press release was not authentic and said the retailer has been in touch with the Newswire company to investigate how the false press release got posted. Finally, although this news has been debunked, it triggered more discussions. Many people have questioned why Litecoin officials didn't directly contact Walmart to check the news, but instead followed along by tweeting the fake news. It begs the question, is the crypto community so easy to be manipulated by fake news? FONT Financial's CEO and co-founder Stéphane Aulet said, "Threats of market manipulation have been one of the primary focuses of regulators around these assets, and to say this will get their attention is an extreme understatement." Since 2021, the number of fraud incidents surrounding cryptocurrencies has risen. According to the analysis of Crypto Head, which tracks information on the cryptocurrency market and wrote a guide to the cryptocurrency market. The number of cryptocurrency thefts and frauds this year is expected to break the record of 38 cases set in 2020. And the number of cases last year has increased by 40.7% from 2019. A study at the end of August showed that 32 thefts and frauds had occurred so far, with a total value of $2.99 billion. For a source of credible, reliable market news, follow BigONE on Twitter, where currently you'll find an attractive futures promotion worth paying close attention to.